Hey, what's up? It's Wick for Xiaomi 5, back with another episode of Mystery Box. Hey Xiaomi 5, here's our Mi Smart Speaker and your Mystery Box Challenge. Control all the smart home devices around you to create the ultimate atmosphere for relaxation. And 2, put on your favorite playlist and enjoy the high quality hi-fi audio. So I've got the Xiaomi smart speaker with the Google Assistant, and this one I surely didn't see coming. So how does it sound and what are the things that I love about it? Well, first, I really like the sound. It's got a 12 watts, 2.5-inch speaker driver, and it can directly play Spotify, but it can also be used as a Bluetooth speaker. It's got a very full low end with enough content around the 50 up to 100 Hz region and a good presence at the 1 kHz region. But well, without talking about how it sounds, let's listen to how it sounds. So this is some music playing on the speaker. And this is how the Google Assistant sounds on this speaker.
Here's the latest news from Reuters TV, US, at 5:47 p.m. today.
The sound is actually very surprisingly good for the size of the speaker. Next, I really like how you can add another smart speaker to have them play stereo sound. I've got only one here, but I guess that this is what it will look like. This will give a totally different and much fuller sound experience, so I can only imagine that this will sound very nice. As third, I like how it works as a smart speaker with its built-in Google Assistant and all of its features. You can ask all the things like ask for the weather.
No, it won't rain tomorrow in Shanghai.
You can ask it about news.
Here's the latest news.
And ask it for all kinds of trivia.
The world's tallest buildings include Olympic Tower at 828 meters.
It functions as any other Google Assistant smart speaker, and it's doing that well. It also works to control supported smart home products, like Xiaomi's vacuum cleaner. Turn on the vacuum cleaner.
Okay, starting the vacuum robot.
Or turning on the lights. Turn on the lights. And turning on the air purifier. So it's also quite convenient to turn on all your connected smart home devices as well. It's a very capable and nice sounding speaker. I like the indicator LED ring on top of the device, which not only looks nice, but also indicates that it's processing a command and things like its connection status. So yeah, that's about it for the Xiaomi smart speaker. Totally new product that I didn't anticipate. It's very cool, feels very robust. I like the size. It's got a very good sound, especially I can imagine if you pair 2 of them, you get that full stereo experience. I think that would be very nice. I would love to test that out. And I like that it's got the full Google Assistant functionality. It's all in there. You can use it as a Bluetooth speaker. It's a cool product. So that's about it. If you want to see a full review, I'm doing a review on my channel, so you can head over, check that out on the Xiaomi 5 YouTube channel in case you want to check that one out. And that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see y'all soon. Peace.